The 2025 Honda Accord Type R introduces a thrilling evolution of Honda's midsize sedan, bringing high-performance engineering and styling to the Accord lineup. Drawing from Honda's racing heritage, this special edition takes the practicality and reliability of the Accord and elevates it with Type R engineering, a badge historically associated with top-level Honda performance models like the Civic Type R. Here's an in-depth look at what the 2025 Honda Accord Type R could offer. The Accord Type R is immediately recognizable with its aggressive yet refined exterior styling. The front fascia features a sharper, more pronounced grille with a honeycomb pattern, complemented by a new, bold Type R badge. Honda has added an aerodynamic body kit, including a front splitter, larger air intakes, and side skirts, giving it a lowered, sportier look. LED headlights, redesigned with a sharper, more menacing look, enhance visibility while contributing to the vehicle's modern, bold stance. The rear of the vehicle is equally captivating, featuring a large rear spoiler that is both functional and iconic to the Type R lineage. This spoiler is engineered to improve downforce at high speeds, enhancing stability and control. A rear diffuser integrated with a triple exhaust system not only completes the sporty look but also optimizes the vehicle's aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 2025 Accord Type R is rumored to house a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, refined from the Civic Type R's power plant. This engine is expected to produce over 340 horsepower and around 300 lb-ft of torque, making the Accord Type R one of the most powerful sedans in its class. Paired with a precise 6-speed manual transmission, this Type R variant emphasizes the importance of driver engagement, appealing to enthusiasts who crave an interactive driving experience. A specially tuned suspension system with adaptive dampers allows the Accord Type R to deliver superior handling without compromising everyday comfort. It features Honda's advanced dual-axis front suspension, significantly reducing torque steer and improving steering response. The rear suspension also incorporates an independent multi-link setup, providing excellent stability and control during high-speed cornering. Honda has included a sophisticated limited-slip differential that enhances traction by distributing power effectively between the front wheels, further reducing understeer and improving overall agility. The 2025 Honda Accord Type R stands as a testament to Honda's dedication to delivering performance, innovation, and practicality in a single package. With its eye-catching design, powerful engine, and advanced technology, the Accord Type R appeals to enthusiasts who want an engaging driving experience without sacrificing the everyday functionality that the Accord is known for.